So I'm recording this because I just found out something like really interesting. It turns out that it's possible to run the Google Assistant through Python. I first apologize because the microphone on this laptop is terrible. But yeah, it turns out you can just run it and it's like really, you know, decent. I'll demonstrate it with my alias here. What time is it?
It's 5:43.
What will the weather be like in London?
Tomorrow in London, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a high of 48 and a low of 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
What is the capital of Uzbekistan?
Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan.
Self-destruct.
Self-destructing in 3, 2, 1. Actually, I think I'll stick around.
But yeah, this is really cool. So it's kind of cool that I was able to do this. Anywho,